Hey everybody, welcome back to Mukbang's Mukbangs. I have got to show y'all what I have for dinner. You know, this is like the leftovers. I just want to show y'all. So I made some beef kebabs. That's what this is. I'm going to break it in half. And I made gyros out of them. Y'all, it was so bomb. So I'm going to go ahead and build it for y'all right now. So, I put the lettuce. Come on. And it tastes just like a gyro. I tell y'all, it was so freaking good. I was so proud of myself. Some tomatoes, some onion. And I like a lot of onions on my gyros. You know, the fresh onion too. So I don't like cooked onions on my gyros at least. Okay. And then I go ahead and put my pieces of meat in there. Okay. And then I made some fresh homemade cucumber sauce. Y'all, I'll put my foot in this sauce. The sauce is what makes it. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. You know, I didn't even bring me a drink because I was so excited to show y'all this. But look at this, y'all. Y'all see this? It's so freaking bomb. Go ahead and take a bite. Mmm. Mmm. Promise you this to change your life. So freaking good. Mmm. I can literally eat this with just the vegetables itself. I don't even need meat. It's so good. Mmm. 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 I know y'all can probably hear my kids in the background. They ain't asleep. My husband watching TV. So I'm gonna do it in my natural environment. If I fake it. Mmm. So I feel like I'm under attack. I got pimples all under here. Why is it every time you put like a facial cleanser or scrub on your face, it brings out pimples? Or is that just me? I feel like that's what it does. Every time, it never fails. Once I do my face all up in a scrub or a mask, the very next day I got pimples everywhere. Mmm. It's so bomb. My husband's like, you about to make this every time. Mm-mm-mm. My husband loves Mediterranean food. So I always try my best to perfect dishes. Like, make some dishes and try to perfect it. So you ain't gotta go out there and buy it. Because this woman make it for him at home, right? Mm. So good. I know y'all see me putting extra cucumber sauce on it. Whew, it's so good. For any part I see that don't have it on there, I be wanting to put more. Like I want to drown in it. I should have made a cooking video of it. But I was kind of in a rush to make dinner because I was a little late, you know. And I didn't want to eat late, so I didn't make a video. The videos take time when you're trying to do a cooking video. You got to set stuff up and... Do y'all like gyros or Mediterranean food? Or y'all just a straight soul food person or a stand food person? What's your favorite food? Me personally, I like all kinds of food. I like all varieties of food. Honestly, there are things everyone can do to help protect their sexual health. Talk to healthcare. Find out about all your HIV prevention options. Because honestly, our health is worth it. This junior garlic butterburger is so juicy. With me, it's like nothing's off limits. And when I say that, I mean I'll try everything once. If I don't like it, that one time I tried it, I'm not trying it again. So nothing's off limits. People come to me like, oh, you want to try this monkey meat? Yeah, that sounds crazy. Now, I don't know if I want to eat monkey meat, but I will try it at least once just to see what it tastes like. Y'all, I'm messy as hell right now. But that's okay. It was good. It was a short video. If I want to show y'all my dinner, so I couldn't miss filming this, so y'all can see what I ate because it was that good. So maybe one day I do a cooking video on it. I don't know. We'll see. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with everybody. Make sure you hit the bell if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Bye.